The first wheeled self-propelled artillery mount, Malva, in Russian history has passed state tests. And it is now preparing for troop deliveries. According to the state corporation Rostec's press service, the 152mm self-propelled gun 2S43, Malva, was developed on the basis of the Baz chassis with an 8x8 wheel arrangement. The gun mount is designed to destroy command and control posts, defensive structures, artillery, rocket and mortar batteries, air defense systems, armored vehicle columns, and enemy manpower. The 2S43 Malva, weighing in at 32 tons, is powered by a robust YAMZ 8424.10 diesel engine boasting 470 horsepower. It employs a 52 caliber barrel weapon system identical to the gun fitted on the latest 2S35 Howitzer SVSPG. Rostec claims the howitzer can carry 30 grenades and reach a top speed of 80 km per hour, with a range of up to 1,000 kilometers on paved roads on a single tank of fuel. Significantly, it can also be airlifted by an IL-76. The 2020 prototype featured an armored cabin designed to shield occupants from small arms fire and shrapnel. However, Rostec has yet to disclose the exact protection class. It also remains unclear what secondary armament options might be available. As of now, Rostec has not revealed whether any active or passive protection systems will be incorporated. The successful completion of the Russian armed forces testing is undoubtedly a triumph for Rostec, but it's still uncertain whether any significant orders for the system will be forthcoming. Interestingly, no 155mm caliber version of the 2S43 Malva has been announced, suggesting that export potential may not be a priority. The production and operation of such a vehicle demand far fewer resources and effort compared to the traditional tracked self-propelled howitzers. The introduction of relatively affordable wheeled SPAs, fitted with a modern fire control system, is expected to reduce the use of outdated towed howitzers within the troops. Towed howitzers are not only less effective but also much less resilient when exposed to counter-battery fire. The advent of the 2S43 Malva represents a significant stride towards modernizing the artillery component of the Russian army, with an emphasis on mobility, cost-effectiveness, and survivability on the battlefield. This development is likely to have profound implications for the future of artillery warfare. The 2S43 Malva is a Russian 152mm inter-service artillery system, based on the chassis of the all-wheel drive Baz 6610-027 Vostochny vehicle produced by the Bryansk auto plant. This self-propelled howitzer is part of the research and development project known as Rostec. The military gun used in this vehicle is the 152mm rifled gun 2A64, featuring a 47 caliber long barrel, identical to the gun of the 2S19 MSTAS self-propelled howitzer. The significant reduction in weight was achieved by abandoning the turret and armor at the installation site of the gun, allowing the Malva to be transported by military transport aircraft like the IL-76. The 2S43 Malva was designed at the Burevestnik Central Scientific Research Institute in Nizhny Novgorod. Its primary mission includes the defeat of the enemy's tactical nuclear and conventional weapons, delivering strikes against artillery batteries, columns of equipment, air defense means, command posts, and so forth. A key innovation of the 2S43 Malva project is the use of a wheeled chassis, which, with the same armament and combat capabilities, makes the 2S43 significantly lighter and more mobile than the 2S19 MSTAS self-propelled howitzer. This also makes it cheaper to operate. The first mention of the creation of the 2S43 Malva dates back to 2019. In 2021, the effectiveness of the Malva was confirmed as part of the chief designer's trials, meeting the requirements of the tactical and technical assignment. Trials of the 2S43 Malva continued until the end of 2022, with experimental production of the product also being launched. On May 17, 2023, the trials were concluded. The technical characteristics of the Malva are quite impressive. It has a firing range of 24.5 kilometers and a rate of fire of up to 7 rounds per minute. Operated by a crew of 5, it can carry a total of 30 rounds. The dimensions of the vehicle are 13 meters long, 2.75 meters wide, and 3.1 meters high, with a total weight of 32 tons. The 2S43 Malva marks a significant advancement in the capabilities of Russian artillery systems, offering improved mobility, lighter weight, and cost-effective operation.